Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Abid and I teach in Environment and Ecology in GS Score. I welcome to all of you in GS Score. As you know that GS Score has started a great initiative for serious UPSC aspirant. As you know that answer writing plays very crucial role for UPSC, and every students, every UPSC aspirant want to improve their writing skills and want to understand the few basic points. In this series, we try to highlight the behind the concept of the question. What are the basic concepts and how can we decode the questions carefully. And later on, I will show you a model answer that how can we give an answer. Okay, and after that I will give you some questions to all of you, and you will attempt these all questions, and then you will submit on the given below link. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, never forget. So this is one of the most beautiful initiative, so it's highly valuable for UPSC aspirant. I'm saying in this concept we'll try to various important points. Today we will discuss the climate change, one of the most hottest and discussed topic across the world. Every country has accepted that yes, climate change is happening and need a global action. So without any giving motivational lecture, let's start. This is the question. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, generally IPCC, has predicted a global sea level rise of about 1 meter by AD 2100. What would be its impact in India and the other countries in Indian Ocean region? Look, IPCC is one of the most important, organization. ये कह सकते हैं it's a report, assessment report, specifically assessment report 6. So has predicted a global sea level rise of about 1 meter by AD, यानी कि 2100 AD. They are saying according to IPCC report, it was predicted and assumed that till 21st century, the end of the 21st century, you will notice that almost 1 meter sea level will rise. As we know that due to climate change, sea surface temperature increasing rapidly, yes, slowly, there is no doubt, getting my point. Sea level increasing, melting of glacier increasing, getting my point. Intensity of the cyclone, drought and flood increasing rapidly, weather changing rapidly, and the rainfall pattern is changing rapidly. ये सारी बातें इन्होंने बताई हैं. और major concern is that sea level rise up to 1 meter. You will find that the maximum and modern and highly technical cities and one of the most beautiful cities are located on the coastal areas. And now threat is that they will submerge after 2050, near 2060s. So this is serious concern. What would be its impact in India and other countries in the Indian Ocean region? The question is talking about what would be its impact in India and other countries in the Indian Ocean. As we know that Indian Ocean region play very important role. From India to Indonesia and Sri Lanka, you will find over there, Maldives भी add कर लेना इसमें, you will find over there बहुत ज़्यादा drastically consequences हमारे सामने आने वाले हैं. As we know that the 9 states makes coastal boundary of India और हर किसी को separate threat मौजूद है. And word 250 marks 15 2023 का question है. Getting the point? अब how to decode and how to understand this beautiful question? Look behind the question, मतलब जो concept है इसके पीछे का. First of all, the question is trying to find and testing your understanding of climate change impacts. मतलब डायरेक्टली ये है कि assess your knowledge of consequences of global warming, specifically in sea level rise as projected by the IPCC. Getting my point? Next, regional application. What are the regional applications? Means region यहाँ पर जिक्र किया गया है Indian Ocean region का, and you have to analyzing specific vulnerabilities and impact on coastal areas. island population, economic and ecosystems. You know very well that यहाँ पर है specific vulnerabilities. As we know that highest biodiversity is found over there. Coastal areas, almost 9 states mix boundary. Each and every states have a very unique city. Capital city मान लीजिए, सबका capital city आपको वहाँ मिलेगा maximum का. And islands, ठीक है, in the name of Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar, Tuticorin, Maldives and Seychelles Island, those all are very important islands. And what is the, ठीक है, condition of population will prevail over there due to climate change, economic values and ecosystem disturbance. These all are the analyzing specific issues which you have to deal. ये regional application based है. Whenever you will start the answer writing, you have to follow these all important areas. Means आपका जो answer होना चाहिए, it should be holistic in nature. Touch will be every important point. मल्टी डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस कैसे करेंगे? थ्रू होलिस्टिक अप्रोचेस. एनवायरमेंटल इम्पैक्ट. व्हाट इज द एनवायरमेंटल इम्पैक्ट ऑन कोस्टल इरोजन, लॉस ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी इन हैबिटेट डिस्ट्रक्शंस, इट इज हैपनिंग. ठीक है, ये आपको ऐड करना है. नेक्स्ट वन, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक implication, displacement, loss of livelihood, food security, and last one, urban flooding. One of the most important area. Next one is geopolitical and humanitarian aspect, means climate, refugee, regional cooperation is required. I am again saying again that climate change become a global issue, transboundary issue, need a global cooperation. कोई सिंगल हैंडली बंदे का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये यूनिवर्सल प्रॉब्लम है. दैट वाज द रीजन यूनिवर्सल acceptance was accepted in Paris Agreement. That was the reason that that's I'm saying universality जो है Paris Agreement में वो हमें दिखाई देती है. That was the reason global action की डिमांड हो रही थी. ठीक है, ये इसका एक behind the concept है क्वेश्चन के, what we have to write and which point you have to take. Next, awareness of vulnerable regions means you have to be careful whenever talking about the Kolkata, Mumbai, ठीक है, go मतलब Marmugao, Kochi and Tuticorin, Chennai. These all are the important areas and highly sensitive from the Sundarban to the Kutch. ठीक है, you will notice. And Andaman Nicobar Islands, you can take the examples. Policy adaptation measures means you have to discuss the number of policies, ठीक है, from the National Action Plan policy, मतलब National Action Plan on Climate Change, FAME. Number of policies are ठीक है, these all are the legal frameworks. And next you will understand, ठीक है, कि disaster management, when we talk about the cyclone and drought and floods, so means we need a kind of strong disaster management from the top to the local levels. And what kind of international cooperation we can add in our answer. And other hand you can take the major challenges also, means आप इतनी सारी चीजों को ऐड कीजिए, means you have to find the best answer, so you have to follow these important areas. ऐसा नहीं कि एक एरियाज को पढ़कर आपने आंसर लिख दिया, that will be not sufficient to, ठीक है, get the maximum marks. Now I summarize these all important areas. You can easily understand through the summarization. Core concept to evaluate your grasp of the science and regional implication of sea levels rise due to climate change. और बाकी सारा वो चीज लिखा हुआ है जिसके बारे में हमने बात की थी. Now let's see the answer. I'm talking about the model answer. Look. So first of all, you will start your answer from the IPCC. ठीक है, जो कि इसने प्रोजेक्ट किया है कि at the end of the 21st century, almost 1 meter sea level will rise, and due to melting glacier. And next one, thermal expansion, polar ice sheet loss, driven by global warming. Such a rise poses severe threats to the coastal region worldwide, particularly in densely populated low-lying area of the Indian Ocean region. So I started my answer from the IPCC and its major concern. Then I said that is driven by global warming, and I suggested that pose severe threats to the coastal region worldwide. And then in last line I added densely populated and low-lying areas of the Indian Ocean region, because the question is demanding the answer from the Indian Ocean region in perspective of the Indian context. So now I finished my introduction with limited words, but all these words are effective. इसमें कोई भी ऐसा word नहीं मिलेगा जो irrelevant है, वो बेवजह लिखा गया है. ऐसा ही आपको choose करना है. You have to choose the words मतलब you have to use a limited words but with maximum, ठीक है, effective impression. Now let's move toward the next body, man's body. Now look, impacts in India. So I discussed, ठीक है, coastal inundation, ठीक है, लॉस ऑफ हैबिटेट, एग्रीकल्चर इंपैक्ट, लाइवलीहुड डिसरप्शन, इंक्रीज डिजास्टर फ्रीक्वेंसीज, एंड यू विल नोटिस ऑल आर हाईली इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है, हाईली इंपॉर्टेंट मीन्स, सो whenever we talk about the impact, तो कोस्टल इनूडेशन पे आ जाइए, लॉस ऑफ हैबिटेट, agriculture impact, livelihood disruption, increase disaster frequencies, and easily I write about the कोस्टल इनंडेशन, मुंबई, चेन्नई, कोलकाता, कोची, ठीक है, ये बहुत ज्यादा रिस्क में है. एंड लॉस ऑफ हैबिटेट लाइक सुंदरबन, ठीक है, बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व, एग्रीकल्चर इंपैक्ट, दीज ऑल आर द इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज. Next, impact on other Indian oceanic countries. As we know that Indian Ocean have a small island states. So I discussed the first of all name like Maldives, Seychelles and Mauritius face existential threats with large part of entire islands at risk of submergence leading to climate refugees. Now again I use the climate refugees due to submergence because of small island है, ज़्यादा ऊंचे नहीं हैं, and they are highly threats under the, because due to sea level rising they will submerge first. अब उसके बाद ये कहाँ जाएंगे? Definitely they will be called as a climate refugees, there is no doubt, है ना. सो ये कंडीशन है स्मॉल आइलैंड स्टेट्स की. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज बांग्लादेश. लार्ज जेडाइक रीजन आर हाईली वल्नरेबल टू इनंडेशन affecting million and triggering mass displacement. What will happen then? It will occur. ठीक है. So the condition is that small island states and small flat countries. And next one is Sri Lanka and Myanmar. Coastal infrastructure, agriculture and tourism will be adversely affected, implying socio-economic vulnerabilities. These all countries are highly dependent on few economic activities. Due to climate change, इनका ये हाल भविष्य में हो सकता है. That is a serious concern and now we have to take the major steps. ठीक है. 1 meter sea level rise will have profound environmental, economic and humanitarian consequences for India. Now you will notice over there that I choose a very limited word. I started 1 meter rise, 1 meter sea level rise will have profound environment, there is no doubt, economic and humanitarian consequences for India and Indian Ocean region. Getting my point? Urgent adaptation measures, robust coastal zone management and international cooperation are essential to mitigate these impact and enhance regional resilience. Means in conclusion, I started from the IPCC report 1 meter sea level rise, then I suggested some important, take a points. ठीक है. So these all are the important areas. I finished my answer with better suggestions. देखो, zone management, international cooperation are essential to mitigate these impact, enhance regional resilience. Means as I have already told you that it becomes geopolitical and transboundary issues of the world. So definitely we have to understand what is the major concerns. So in this answer we discuss, ठीक है, suggestions, impact, ठीक है, or impact in India, these all important areas, and the introduction. So this is a model answer, perfect answer, and you will try to understand, you will try to touch each and every important point. ठीक है, जो पूछा गया है, और एक तरीका होता है लिखने का. You will start your answer from starting point and you will end with suggestions. Getting my point? And now I have a very beautiful surprise for everyone, for CS aspirant specifically, the probable questions which you have to deal and you have to write. You can easily notice from discuss the IPCC, ठीक है, फिर से यहाँ पर है कि shaping global climate change and how it is assessment reports influence international agreements such as the Paris Agreement. As we know that when we talk about the IPCC given major reports, assessment report first, and on the behalf of assessment report first we saw the UNFCCC, then Kyoto Protocol, then Paris Agreement. ये बहुत important question है, you can easily write. Global warming is expected to have a far-reaching impact on Indian subcontinent. Analyzing the potential effect of rising temperature and changing precipitation pattern on agricultural, water resource and public health in India. One of the most current इशू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, आपको ये अटेम्प्ट जरूर करना चाहिए. Climate change is a global challenge requiring coordinating international responses. Critically examine India's approach to climate change mitigation and adaptation, highlighting key policy initiatives and challenges. So means you have to elaborate the role of India's approach toward the climate change. As we know that we are highly भाई रेक्टिफाई कर दिया है, अडॉप्ट कर दिया है क्योटो प्रोटोकॉल एंड पेरिस एग्रीमेंट. सो नाउ वी हैव टेकन नंबर ऑफ प्लेजेस एंड वी हैव टेकन नंबर ऑफ टारगेट्स. ठीक है, we have taken number of targets. So this all are the beautiful answers which you have to attempt and make sure जब आप आंसर लिख लेंगे तो you can submit these all answer in given below link. If you have any doubt, any question, any queries, you can contact this score and मुझसे भी कर सकते हैं आप contact. ठीक है. So this is one of the most beautiful series. I think it will help you. It will help you and it will boost your confidence as well as. So please एक चीज़ और like, subscribe and comment जरूर करना. ठीक है. वीडियो कैसा लगा please share with your friends and जो भी है. ठीक है. So this is enough from this side. My name is Dr. Abid. Next video I will take a different questions and I will show you ठीक है how to understand these questions and how to decode the question and how to identify the concept behind the question and what is expected to ठीक है from your side by the UPSC. ठीक है. Take care. This is enough from this side.